You know, I've seen a trend here. Everybody's going to the El Cortez. Please enlighten me. I love you guys in the comment sections. Please enlighten me what the El Cortez has to offer because it does sound like a fun casino. That being said, we've got Vegas gamblers here with $1,000 buy-in. Going to hit up the El Cortez blackjack. Blackjack, of course, plays 3 to 2. And I don't know. I think the dealer needs to hit on the soft 17. That being said, let's dive into it. Go over to Vegas Gamblers channel, give them a like, subscribe, let them know where you came from. Let's have some fun. You guys know the drill. Let's do it. Let's get into it.
In downtown Las Vegas. We're
Downtown Las
double
Vegas.
Deck blackjack, $1,000 buy-in, $50 minimum. Playing the Flush Plus side bet. Show you what those pay there. Let's get going.
I love it. Straight into it. $15, $17. Big one. There you go. I do like the side bets, to be honest. I like that super shot any pair.
It's a tough one.
The 7-17.
Wow.
21, nice. Oh, God.
I needed it.
Oh, God. That's brutal.
Ooh, it's got the straight flush. Yeah, close. 7-1 on that.
Already paid for the side bet.
Soft
17.
17 again.
Hit it. Hit it.
Looking at your face, right? 13. Yep, about an 8.
That's why you hit, man. $14, $17.
Like $100 right here.
$15. Oh my gosh, 21 again.
Put that 100 back out there.
12. All right, I like the switch up. 7, 17. 16, 15, 20, 17.
Yeah, it's okay.
I know you're not gonna do
Yeah,
that.
I'm not in that, don't worry.
Next time I'll try.
16. Yeah, good. Now he's kind of flat betting. What do you guys think?
Alright, rough
Because he bought in for 1,000. Reserve a private table. At a time, we always tip the dealers at the end of our swimming session. Okay. I think 50 is okay. I mean, for $1,000 buy-in, I think a $50 bet's pretty good. Just waiting for some action. It's like a double down or, you know, split. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. It's a double? Wow. hold on 1 second. Let me just go back just a bit. If he would have doubled, let's have some fun here. If he would have doubled the 15, he had a 16. Okay. 8. It looks like he played that right. I played that right. $16.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah. Yeah, I'm cursed I'm not $100 like that. Oh.
What is happening? How many 21s is there? How many? Dude, you might as well be hitting on 17 right now.
That's a flush. Let's do the 150 man. Not winning the $100 one. Hey, there we go.
Great timing.
All right.
Great timing. Great timing.
Payback time.
Yeah, do it again. And a flush. Nice. Yeah.
Never leave a heater, guys.
Yeah, regretting that.
Never leave a heater when you're betting. You know, you're having a big bet like that.
Let's do 125. Let's see what that does first. No way.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
At least he gets a second chance. 15,
Oh, there we
21.
go. All right. Much better shoe than the first one.
And those are things that you got to realize too. Is when you got a hot shoe, man, you got to be betting a little bit more. But I get it. I get it. Everyone's their own. Good. 9, 14. Oh my God.
Hey, all right.
$16.
About a 5. Nope. All right. Well, through 2 shoes, we're even.
Man, a lot of work for that. Very, very much work. Again, you guys go over to Vegas Gamblers channel, give them a like, subscribe. Have some fun. I mean, for real. I mean, like the dealers had 20, 21, everything in between.
Uh-oh. No chance.
Put a 14, 16, nice.
Want that 100 round? See if we lose it again. There we go. Broken curse.
Let's get a little martingale strategy going on. 17, 7, 16. Oh my god.
Let's do 150.
All right, here we go.
Uh-huh.
All right. I think you're supposed to split eights every time. $300 bet. I love it. Let's go. Let's get some action here.
Yeah.
Got to do it.
Well, it's gonna make or break us, guys.
Big one.
There we
Yes. What a great
go.
hand.
Couple blacks. Three blacks.
Three black?
All right.
That was a great action right there.
Nice.
Nice. 13. Wow. Wow.
Same exact. It's what happened to me 2 days ago. And one was a double down, and I was winning them all too.
16.
I'm like 16 for the four, but yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what the next card would have been. Okay, that's right.
It's tied. 18.
Let's try it, guys. There we go.
Great work.
There's 200 here.
I like the
Oh,
press.
new deck. Never mind.
Wait, is he doing? Oh, new shoe. I don't blame him. Don't blame him.
Well, that win on the split eights is the difference in our winnings right now.
100%, man. That's what I'm saying. Like the action is so important, you know, and sometimes base betting's okay. I think it's another double, isn't it?
Should have doubled.
8.
Didn't think that one.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for making me feel better. There we go.
All right, so off the bat, the shoe's looking pretty good. $13, 14.
Need that 8 before the ace.
That's a fresh. No, it's not. No, 12.
Okay, there. Okay. 2 18s.
Yeah, you got to do it. Come on. 15. Nice. Beautiful. Good double. I hope he gets a double up on his initial buy-in. 20, 17, nice. I'd keep. I eat. Man, it's a hot shoe right now, man. 2 shoes back to back, pretty good. 10. Yeah. I don't know if I would have done that. 8, 9, 10. No, they're more than 15. Nah, would have made a difference.
Flush, 7-1.
Man, we're still hovering. We are still hovering. Dang,
All
155.
right, stay pretty even on that shoe, guys. Let's call that a winning session. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. A lot of action there. We'll see you next time.
That's pretty good. That was actually pretty good. I like that strat, and at the same time, I can't fault him for anything, like mistakes or not. That's kind of like my thought process of going in like with $1,000, because that's what I want to do when I go play the tables. $1,000, $50 bets, and then play those doubles and splits as much as possible on that action. Because there are, when you have more ammo, you're definitely more able to, press up and down, adding a different, adding a hand to the table. So there's a lot of options on there. But that being said, you guys, I actually really like that session. Vegas Gamblers, give them a like, subscribe. We got one. I think it's Mike. I think it's one of NG Slots friends that plays. So always love introducing someone new. That being said, you guys, love you, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.